we have a training now. This is Vivian. She's always waiting for me. And when we are going around this beautiful nature and this beautiful brook, we don't talk to each other. She's quiet with her problems. I'm quiet with my problems. And right now I'm thinking about my clients, my leaders, my managers, and I'm thinking what they are thinking after this crisis, before and after. So the things are not easy, but basically I think that we should try to re-engineer ourselves, what we will stop doing and what we will start doing. And this communication, I think that after crisis communication is very important, that you explain to your team, that you explain to your client, that you explain to people around you, why are we doing that, why the life will be better because of it. And this is the most important. When we are talking about with coworkers after the meetings and on the briefing and briefings in the morning or something, we should tell them why is this important for our company, for our team, and also for them. Basically, before this crisis, we are running like hell. There was a bunch of stuff to do. There was too many orders, maybe, I don't know, and it was a really rock and roll. But right now, it's different kind of rock and roll, and I don't really like, and I think that many managers you don't like when you should start to make your team more agile, to try to find the new solutions. And basically I'm always focused on the how to build a better environment for co-workers and give more add value to our client. And I think that this is a story. If we want to give more add value to our client, if we want to give more add value to society around us, we should try to become a better person. And that's my to do for the next half year, 1 year, maybe till the end of my life. I must become a better person.